outside of the Cell Hall of Fame, getting ready to go inside and ask some of our well-deserving organelles why they think they should be inducted into the Cell Hall of Fame. Let's go! Looks like Mitochondria is up first.
Thank you everyone for coming out today. The pleasure's all mine. Now let's get to the questions. Who has the first question? Why are you there in the front with a pretty tie-dyed t-shirt?
Hello, my name is Natalie Williams, and I'm from Channel 1 News, and I have a few questions for you. What makes you so important to the cell?
Well, Miss Williams, I am important to the cell because I supply energy to it that is needed to perform everyday functions within the cell.
And what might those functions be?
Well, I help the cell move, divide, produce secretory products, and contract. I also produce ATP.
What is ATP?
Well, since you asked, ATP is a molecule that is a primary energy source for cells. It is made up of adenine, ribose, and a chain of 3 phosphates. Due to the negative charge of all the phosphates, ATP has a lot of chemical energy stored in it. The energy is released through a hydrolysis reaction which releases one of the phosphates from the molecules. The phosphate is then transferred to another molecule in the cell, providing that cell with energy.
Gee, that sure is a lot of important stuff. Isn't it also true that when they release one of their phosphates from ATP, they become an ADP?
Why yes, that is true. When they lose one of their phosphates and energy is released, they become an ADP, which is also known as an adenose diphosphate.
Do you do this in all cells?
I am found in all eukaryotic cells, both plant and animal cells. I perform similar functions in each of these.
Very cool. We now have an idea about your functions, but how can we identify you in a cell?
Well, in a common animal cell, I am found many times throughout as these little structures. I have a double membrane one on the outside and one's on the inside. The outer membrane, as you can see, is very smooth. However, the inner membrane is highly creased, forming folds and cross sections. It is a fluid-filled compartment that holds the mitochondrial matrix, as seen right here. This is where many of the chemical reactions of cellular respiration occur. Its folds increase my surface area, allowing me to mix sugar with oxygen, creating ATP.
Wow, you really are important to the cell. You've sure got my vote. Well, at least, if I could vote.